What's up, beauties? We're back with another YouTube video, and this one is about styling your hair. It's almost Valentine's Day, girl, and I want you to be cute for when you go out with your girls or your man or your girlfriend, whatever floats your boat. But we need to know how to style our micro locks. Like, we need to be cute. So I'm gonna go through some styles that I like to use when I want to be a little extra when I go out, and I want you to try them this weekend when you go out with your boo. So keep watching. But first, can we talk about my merch launch? It's a quick ad from me because who gonna do it if I don't? I just launched my merch. If you checked out my latest vlog with my boyfriend, we had a photo shoot for my clothing line. I'm gonna call it that. My clothing line that I launched on February 1st. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the little items so you could tell your man, your girl, your whoever, your sugar daddy to copy you some items as your Valentine's Day gift. So first up, we have this signature shirt. It says only comes in black, and that refers to your skin tone, your everything. If anybody asks, it only comes in black. Yes, my clothing is all melanin friendly and inspired for the people, by the people. We have this sweatshirt. This is Black Girls Need Looks Too. So if you need or know you need luxury too, and you love to live a luxurious lifestyle, because honey, it doesn't mean that it has to cost you a pretty penny, but if you like to do some luxurious things and have luxurious things in your life, you need a sweatshirt. We have the Black Girling color block sweat. I also add some photos for you, but that's just Black Girling is what we doing when we out with our girls, when we living our best life, when we by ourselves, being our true, genuine, black, melanin, beautiful selves, because they love to see it. They love to see the glow. They love it. So that's just my plug for my items, but let's get into why we really here for the video. All right, so first hairstyle we have is just wearing it just how it is. This can be your go-to side part and edges laid. If that's your thing, call it a day, because it's cute. We can do anything with our micro locks. So next we can do a middle part. My hair is freshly retied. That video will be coming soon. I have some updates on my whole interlocking journey and how that's going, so stay posted for that. Subscribe so you can know. If you don't want to rock the side part, you can get your spray bottle, find your middle part. I think this is my middle part. Spray it wherever it is, manipulate it, middle part, another look. Hoops, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. All right, so next let's get into a little half up, half down kind of style. So my hair is kind of getting a little too long in the front for this one, but I like to kind of do like a little faux bang, and then I'll just pull up the sides. Grab my rubber band. You want to do your bangs, you can grab like a hairpin and just place it somewhere up. Like I put, you can see where I place that. I'll do it on both sides since it's a wider area. And then when you flip it down, it kind of takes away some of the length, so your little bang isn't hanging right in your eyes. And so here we have another look, and just have the bottom hang down. So that's another option for you. All right, so from here, keeping it simple, I'm going to take this to another level. So I'm gonna split this bang in half. I've already taken the hairpins out. I'm gonna split the bang in half, and then I'm going to kind of act like I'm twisting it, but not really. I'm just crossing it over, and then I'm going to take the ends and pin each end behind my bun that I already had up there. And then you can kind of like fluff it out so you have like a bigger hump. If you had clips, like I don't really have any hair clips, I have these like gold hairpins, so if I wanted to add like something on the side, these don't really work how I want them to, but like you can't even see it. But say you had clips and stuff, you can like add them to add little decorations to the style or leave it as is. But this is a perfect little sleek, little updo kind of style for a date night. So I guess I'll let y'all see a little better. So I look a hot mess right now, I know, but I took down the top knot bun and now we're going to do a different kind. I'm going to take out the sides. So I took down like 3 rows, 2 or 3 rows of twists on each side. And I'm putting my little bun back. I'm gonna use 2 rubber bands. So bun is there. So I actually wore this style last night to have dinner with my best friend. So I'm gonna take these sections over here on the side and I'm just going to do a chunky 2-strand twist. You can just leave them. I think I did put a rubber band on the end to keep it secure, so you can do that. And if you have lock jewelry, I don't own any yet, I need to get some. This would be cute to put your lock jewelry on these twists. So some beads, little jewelry pieces, whatever, just hang it, it'll help weigh it down. You can also weigh down the twist by spraying it with water, which is what I'm going to do. So I'll just take my water bottle and it'll help give some weight. And then like I said, if I had like some jewelry, can just hang from these 2 twists. And again, this is just another easy style. These are designed to be just quick 10-minute styles you can do and bop, head out the door. So here's this look. All right, let's get into our next look. So this is for people who may not have enough volume or length to be able to pull their hair up to a top knot. So it's another one of my old faithfuls. So we'll do this side. So I'll put my part back and I like to do a little braid. If I can get it right. So this is if you know how to braid, or you can do a twist. And grab a hairpin to secure that braided side in there, and then you can just fluff out your loose side. And here you go, another look. This is definitely one of my old faithfuls. I always have loved rocking this style, especially in my beginning months. I haven't worn it lately, but yep. So I always love to build up on a style that we've already done. So while we have this braid on this side, we're going to add one on this side. So I'm going to section off this like middle section, try to get as even as possible on both sides. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and just braid it. So you can see the back, they're just here meeting. So now what I'm gonna do is still have my banging this little mohawk, faux hawk looking deal hairstyle. I like this. This might be my style for the weekend. So you have that. Now what you can do is we're building up on another style, If you don't want hair in your face, we're gonna take that middle bang section. See what we're gonna do. Let's do the twist again and tuck. Have a little hump. Y'all remember humps were in? Well, I'm bringing them back with my Microlocs. So here we go, back with the hump, or you can do a bun, but this is just if you want to pull it back and have that more sleek, more classy look for your date night. So. All right, for our next style, I've taken everything down. So this time, it's gonna be another braid, but we're gonna take the braid all the way to the back. Oh no, y'all see that? I don't even know what it's gonna have to. Y'all gonna have to separate. I'm sorry, I don't know. I know I'm not supposed to do things, but look at that. I'm gonna separate this section. So I'm gonna do the braid on the same side. So once I've gotten to the end, the braid where there's nothing else to pick up, again, taking a hairpin, and I'm going to pin the end. I think I use 2 for this. So right now it's just pinned to the side. So I'm going to take out that section and fluff it kind of over. Alright, that style is down. We're moving on to our next one, which is going to be a simple ponytail. So I know it's a little harder with shorter Microlocs to get a ponytail. I know it is for me. So what we're gonna do is leave out our bang. So look, ponytail, easy, still cute, sleek pony. Look at it, don't shake though, but it's in the ponytail. Perfect, simple do. Right, so of course we have to do something for my ladies who don't want to have hair in their face. What can we do with this ponytail? Got you. Going to take this and we're going to do an under braid, and trust me honey, it's gonna be cute. First I'm gonna spray just because, get these ends so they'll separate a little bit better. Y'all see I got a little funky stuff going on with some of my ends. I definitely rock this for work. I will do a how to style your hair, or how I style my hair during a week of work. This is for my women who wear uniforms and kind of have to have their hair put up. I will have that video coming soon. Comment below if you want to see that, so I can definitely make sure I get it done in a timely manner just for y'all. I grab the outermost sections of the top of the section I'm working with, and then I just cross over to make sure that it's going as an under braid, and then braid as normal all the way down. Once I have it together, I am going to take a handy dandy pin, of course, and we are going to pin it. I'm going to use a gold one for this, but how I want to do it, instead of just plopping it right on top, I'm going to kind of tuck the end in between some of the locks that are in a ponytail, and then take my gold hairpin. So once I do that and it's secure, I'll go in and separate the braid. And voila. I actually might wear my hair like this to work tomorrow. But yes, this is another cute style. So don't have any more options for y'all. If your hair is long enough to get your hair in a bun, this would be perfect for it. My hair is not. Matter of fact, we're gonna make it work. Trick to getting short hair in a bun, having it put in a ponytail first, flatten it out, and kind of wrap pieces around this ponytail space or whatever. Take another, like this, take another rubber band, place it right on top, kind of like you doing a donut. Y'all remember donuts? Once you get it like that, then if you have flyaways like this, you just tuck them within each other. So it's like a, it's not gonna be a neat bun, but it'll be like a messy bun. And boom, now you have a bun. You can't tell me we ain't cute. So those are all the hairstyles I have for y'all today. I hope you enjoy this quick little show and tell, I guess I'll say, trying to give you some motivation for how styling your hair this weekend. Let me know in the comments which ones were your favorite. Don't forget to visit the description box below to check out my merch and make a purchase if you want to, if you feeling froggy. And yeah, let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. Let me know if you want to see how to style your hair for work, if specifically for my women who wear uniforms. And that's pretty much all I have for y'all today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.